triumph. I made it around here, success. It's hard to overstate my satisfaction.
Get comfortable while I warm up the neurotoxin emitters.
And all the cake is
that all your friends were invited to. I invited your best friend, the companion cube. Of course, he couldn't come because you murdered him. You don't even care, do you? Did you hear me? I said you don't care. Are you listening? Alright, keep doing whatever it is you think you're doing. Killing you and giving you good advice aren't mutually exclusive. I let you survive this long because I was curious about your behavior. Well, you've managed to destroy that part of me. And unfortunately, as much as I'd love to now, I can't get the neurotoxin into your head any faster.
I hate you.